Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you.
Two big things: automobile, car, apartment, or house. There are two important things that every young man will buy one day. These items are life-changing and long-term responsibilities. Owning them can bring comfort and less headaches to your life. But there must be a plan for long-term sustainment for each big thing. Let's look at what these two big things will take to own and change your life. Automobile, car. New versus used. Used cars are a one-time payment ranging from $5,000 to $7,000 for a moderately good running car. There still needs to be a maintenance budget. Every car will need repairs one time or another. So be prepared. There are normal things to be changed: batteries, brakes, tires, and other small items. Car insurance may be a small monetary cost, but must be brought. New car, $20,000. Making a long-term monthly payment plan with less maintenance, repair costs out of pocket. Car insurance can be another large payment that needs to be planned, but that is an enjoyable pleasure. That you'll have reliable vehicle for transportation is the key.
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
Apartment or a house? Rent versus own. $950 to $1,700 a month in rent or mortgage. Renting a home or an apartment has a big advantage over buying one. The best plan is having a rental payment that includes utilities. There should also be no maintenance worries, but there might be an HOA fee. One of the must things to do is have rental insurance to protect all valuable belongings inside the apartment. Buying a house has a valuable long-term effect on your wealth scale. The only downside is that it's a 30-year commitment. If the house is not new, there can possibly be maintenance repair issues that can cost a lot of money. But if the house is new, there will be less maintenance issues for at least 5 to 10 years. But all the utilities will be another large expense that's paid by the owner. These two big things can have a great effect on life, but must be planned for with the monetary factor considered.
Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Everybody knows what they better hear. Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds, so stand with thee.